Turn your manual trading conditions into arrows and alerts. Create your own indicators for MetaTrader 4 and 5 or technical analysis tools for TradeStation. Now you can easily turn any manual trading system into a robot that trades Forex, stocks, or futures. It's quick and easy. The best thing about EA Builder is that the work is pretty much done in a few clicks. Turn your trading idea into an automated system within minutes, without hiring a programmer and without knowing anything about programming. Even professional programmers appreciate the benefits of creating indicators and strategies with a few short clicks. Trade Forex, stocks, and futures. You can create strategies to trade any financial instrument available on any of the 3 most popular trading platforms: MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and TradeStation. Intuitive and straightforward. Start creating your first strategies or indicators within minutes. No manuals to study, nothing to install because it's a web-based application. Creation is pretty straightforward, and every feature has a pop-up tip that guides you with a short explanation, so you never get lost. Loads of features. Only want to trade at specific times of the day? Want to limit the number of trades or trade duration? All it takes is a single click. Custom indicators and functions. Besides all the standard indicators and amazing built-in functions such as trend lines, support, resistance, and time of day, you can add custom indicators or custom functions, so there are really no limitations on what you can do with EA Builder. Alerts. Audible alerts, email alerts, print-to-output window, and so on are convenient ways to get notified that trades have been executed or new indicator arrows have shown up. Money management. Money management techniques set up with a few clicks will ensure that your account is never exposed to substantial losses. Nice output. The generated code is human-readable, well-commented, and neatly formatted. It uses no objects, classes, or advanced functions, and it is contained in a single file. You don't need to understand the code. Just download it. However, for non-professionals interested in diving into the source and learning something about it, this is a great tool. Binary options. In addition to standard market and pending orders, you can trade binary options directly on MetaTrader 4. A short video tutorial will guide you through how to use this new feature. Video tutorials. There are 14 video tutorials ranging from 5 to 10 minutes in length, designed to help you discover the full potential of the EA Builder. Creation is demonstrated in both MetaTrader 4 and TradeStation, so you will get step-by-step guidance on how to design, backtest, and optimize a winning strategy. Bonuses. Our examples provide great inspiration as to what you can create with EA Builder. In addition to the video tutorials, we have also created 3 cool indicators: trend-colored, CCI-colored, and trendline break alert, that can be used as they are to improve your trading or modify it in any way you like. Get free access to create custom indicators. Click on the Free Access button and sign up with a single click. With the free version, you can create indicators for MetaTrader 4 and 5 and technical analysis tools for TradeStation. For a one-time payment, you can create automated strategies as well. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to create indicators with EABUILDER. Let's create a simple indicator based on the stochastic oscillator. This example can act as a starting point for creating your own indicators. Let's attach the stochastic oscillator to the chart. You can see a blue line and a red line oscillating between the market extremes. The blue line is the so-called baseline, and the red line is the signal line. When the baseline crosses the signal line, we want to display an arrow to buy or sell. So let's do it. Create a new MetaTrader 4 indicator and call it Extreme Turns. Add condition, stochastic oscillator, the indicator buffer is baseline, cross is above, and again stochastic oscillator. But here we choose the signal line. OK. Now click on this icon to customize display style. The indicator type is arrow, arrow up, the color is blue, the label is buy, and the arrow will be drawn at the candlestick low. We leave it as it is. Click OK. Now let's create the red arrow for sale. Click on Indicator Buffer. And here is one smart button that will do the job for you. Create the opposite. The condition changed to crosses below, the arrow is down, in red, and it will be drawn at candlestick high instead of low. We are happy with what we see, so we can move on. In the Comment tab, we can choose whether to draw the indicator in the price chart or as a separate window. We leave it in the chart window. In the Alerts tab, we check Audible Alerts so that we hear a sound and see a pop-up message every time a new arrow appears. In Inputs, we add Audible Alerts so that we can turn it on and off. In the Source tab, the source is generated very quickly. The code is human-readable and well-commented. It does not include any extra files or advanced object programming, so it can be a very useful study aid, but you don't need to understand it. Now you can either download the file and install it on your platform, or copy the source. Do whatever is more convenient for you. I will copy the source, open MetaEditor, create new, custom indicator, give it a name, and the settings do not matter because they will be overwritten. Finish. Control A to select all, delete, and Control V to paste. Compile it. It was successful with no errors. Go back to MetaTrader, and our new indicator appears in the navigator on the left. Double-click. We see it has one input, Audible Alerts, set to true. OK. We can check that the arrows are drawn correctly as the oscillator lines cross. The problem is that the arrows overlap the price a little, and we would like to correct this. Go back to EABUILDER, click on the plus sign to extend condition and lower the value of the candlestick low to move the arrow lower. Maybe 10 pips lower. But to make it universal for all currency pairs and time frames, we will subtract the indicator average true range. Click on the magic icon, and the rest is done quickly. The red arrow is drawn at candlestick high, plus the average true range. Copy the source, paste, compile, and now it looks better. But there are too many arrows when the market is in this flat area. We will make additional conditions to display arrows only at the extremes.
beyond the overbought and oversold levels represented by the horizontal lines at values 20 and 80. Go back to the Indicator tab, add Condition, Stochastic Oscillator, Baseline, is below, value, 20. Create the opposite using the magic button, edit the automatically created condition, and replace 20 with 80. Copy the source, paste, compile. Now the arrows only appear in the overbought and oversold zones. There is still room for improvement. In a trending market, you may want to beware of trading against a long-term trend. You can use the trend indicator from our free bonuses to clearly see the trend. And for exiting, you can use your own rule based on the number of pips, or the colored CCI indicator. In the next videos in this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to create a profitable expert advisor based on daily breakouts and other useful expert advisors. I will start with a simple strategy based on moving averages.